Insert the SIM card into the car slot. Plug the product into the car's USB port. Click the upper right corner to turn on Wi-Fi and search for the product's Wi-Fi signal. Input the original password. After the Wi-Fi connection is successful, be sure to tick the Remind Connected in Drive. Enter to the car's green browser page and enter the URL in the address bar. Click on the top right corner to bookmark the site. Turn on phone Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Find and click to connect the Bluetooth signal displayed on the car screen on your phone. Wait for a while and enjoy wireless Android Auto.